Video 24. Print window content. In the previous lesson, we set up printing paper, title block, as well as the address, the content from the plan view that were presented to prepare for printing. However, this way the main purpose is to export the drawings that were presented in the plan view. While in some cases we need to include 3D images or the whole model into printing paper or attached calculation documents. Now we have a simpler way. Print the contents of the window. Print window contents. If you want to print a window, click on it. Then select Print Preview to display the print window. As you can see on the screen, we can change the display scale of the window by scrolling the cursor to show the desired position. And not only that, if you just want to see within a section, it is still possible as follows. Select the section you want to display. Then click Print Preview. In addition, you will set the following features. The first is the Settings section. You choose a printer, paper size, number of copies, and paper orientation. The margin section is the page margin, as well as header and footer sizes, top, bottom. You can change it if needed. The display of elements. You can select the scale value displayed here. If you click here, we will print the construction lines. And select Thick Line to print according to the thickness. You can also click here to print black elements. And tick here. We will hide or show the page margin. Location of printed image. And the Display when starting section will display exactly the same status as the screen before clicking Print Preview. This will directly affect the next setup. With header and footer, we can set the information to display at the top and bottom of the page. Header. We can set the font. Position of header, left, center, or right. As for image, inserted, we will set position here. You can enter your desired character. Same for footer. In particular, attributes are the most important project parameters. If you double-click on these attributes, same for footer. Header and footer will appear these parameters if you have defined for the project. More specifically, I will talk more clearly in the following lesson about layout attribute. The same settings for footer. Click on Close. And like many of the settings in the optional shortcut keys, we can also save and quickly load these settings as a file. These print settings will be exported in PDF format. Click the symbol to add some parameters. You choose the path to export and choose here to open the file right after exporting. In the Properties section, we keep the same and pay attention to Select Page and Allow Printing so that the PDF will be exported to our page range and printed. Finally, click Export to get results like this. Thus, we have learned a way more to print the content of any window in Allplan. The next lesson will follow up with an interesting topic, layout attribute.